CBSE class 10 exercise 8.1. This is basically trigonometry. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine angle number 1, sin A cos A and sin C cos C. How will you determine it? We know that sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. In the other way you can remember it. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse and tan theta is equal to base by perpendicular by base. That is Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. P means Pandit, B means Badri, P means Prasad. H means har, B means bole and C means sona. Cos C, here cos theta means chandi and tan theta means tole. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. P for Pandit, B for Badri, P for Prasad, H for hypotenuse, another H for hypotenuse, and another B for base. Again, sin theta is equal to perpendicular by base, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Here, sin, you have to first draw a right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle. The right angle at B, here this is 90 degree means right angle. This is your B point, and suppose this is your A, this is your C. So if you take this angle, that is sin A is equal to what? This will be your base. If you take this angle, that is A angle, then base will be, this is your base, this is your perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here sin theta means sin A. Sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos A is equal to what? Is equal to base by hypotenuse. Here given AB is equal to what is AB? This is AB is equal to 24 semi, and AB is equal to 24 semi. That is base is equal to 24 semi, and BC is equal to 7 7. What is the value of hypotenuse? We know according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Here put the value. Base is equal to 24 square plus perpendicular is equal to 7 square. 24 square is equal to what? 24 into 24. That is 576 plus 49 is equal to what? 5 2 6. Therefore hypotenuse is equal to root over 6 to 5 is equal to 25. So hypotenuse is equal to what? 25 centimeter. Now it is very easy. Sin A is equal to what? Sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the value of perpendicular? Perpendicular is equal to 7 What is the value of hypotenuse? Height is equal to 25. Okay. Again, cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta means here A. Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Base is equal to 24. And what is the value of hypotenuse? 25. That is cos A is equal to this. Then you have to determine sin C. What is sin C? Here is your angle C. This is your angle C. When this is your angle C, then base will be, this is your base. This will be base is equal to 7 and perpendicular will be this. This is your perpendicular is equal to 24. When base is BC, when angle is C, then base will be BC. Okay. When angle is A, then base will be BA. Okay. Now sin C is equal to what? This is sin C. Sin C means perpendicular by hypotenuse sin theta. Here perpendicular is equal to 24 by hypotenuse is equal to 25. Similarly, cos A is equal to what? Cos C is equal to what? Cos C is equal to cos C. Cos C is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. This is your base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Base is 7. 7 by 25. So this is very easy. So only you have to know sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. You can remember it. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. P by H is equal to sin theta, B by H is equal to cos theta, and P by B is equal to tan theta. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole.